The hell, man? Where the heck were you? I was waiting at the expo for you and you didn't turn up.
Hey man, I wouldn't have made much of a difference anyway.
Of course you would have. I didn't dress up as Ryu for no bloody reason, did I? You were meant to be the giant walking talking motherfricking Hadouken.
Dude, you're not serious, right? What, you wanted me to dress up and make a fool of myself walking around as a giant ball of fire from a cartoon anime?
Hey, it's not just any cartoon anime. This is the Street Fighter series that has been very successful since the 90s, well 1987, but yup, in your stupid face.
Hey, shut the hell up, fool.
Hey, just saying that your face is stupid. It's not my fault you look so damn stupid, ask your mother.
Actually Mumsy says my face is beautiful.
Wow, didn't really want to know that, but hey, why do you still live with your mother?
'Cause I need someone to feed me. Never mind, let's get back on topic. I would rather dress up as a Tekken character, 'cause they look awesome.
You stupid dumbass, Street Fighter is much better than that.
Man, I haven't got time for this. Anyways, you idiot, you made me miss my bus.
Oh yeah, haha, you better run after it then, dumbass.
Fine, I will see you later.
I seriously need new friends,